effective run sponsored ad. Okay, but before we go into sponsored ad, I would like to tell you something. Understand real estate proper. Real estate is not like akara or granules that somebody will just see and buy instantly. Are you getting me? Because it's a high ticket product, it has a longer marketing cycle. So at times it might take you 1 year to close a client. Are you getting me? Because of the amount of money involved. I have followed a client for 1 year before the person finally closed the deal with me. So you want to be patient. So when you generate leads, the next step is what we call follow up. Yeah, and when you're running sponsor ad, you're not running sponsor ad to just sell immediately. That's not the idea. You're running sponsor ad to get people who are interested in real estate, so they can come to you and then you have their contact. That's the idea of running sponsored ads. I connect the ad to my WhatsApp. So once they click on the ad, it gets them to my WhatsApp. Then when they come and ask a question, where is this land? Where is it located? What's the size? They ask you some question. That is why you need what we call product knowledge. Okay? There are 2 types of knowledge you must have to succeed in business. Number 1 is product knowledge, and number 2 is customer knowledge. So you need to understand product before you're selling. You need to understand the customers you're marketing to. What is their need? What is their pain point? What is that they really want? You need to understand that. When you understand that, you're able to follow them up very well. For a client, you need to know exactly what the client needs. So when you are communicating with him or her, the person begins to appreciate the conversation because he already understands that this person knows what I want. Some clients are afraid to lose their money. All of them are afraid to lose their money. So the way you approach that client and discuss with him or her will follow up will determine if you eventually close the deal or not. So you might run a sponsored ad and then you get 1,000 leads coming to your WhatsApp. But if your follow-up is not good, you might end up not making a sale. So you need to understand how to follow up on the leads you have generated. That's follow up. The next one is what we call follow through. With follow through, you want to back up your words with action. So when you tell the client that to come for inspection on Tuesday, don't let that call him and say, no, something came up, we'll go on Wednesday. No. So follow through is you tell the client what to do, what you will do, and then you make sure you do it. That's follow through. And then the last F here is what they call follow back. When the client has finally bought from you, you need to still keep that relationship with that client and then ask him to refer you to his friends. I have a client now that referred me to about 5 of his friends. That's the best marketing that I ever have. Referral marketing, or we call it combination marketing, where a client says this guy is good to me. That one you are not stressing. The only thing telling that just show him the land and send account number, you pay. Okay? So don't, when the client buys, don't throw them. This is where I do my own. I have broadcast list I created for each kind of client I have, post whatever. I created broadcast list for them. I leveled the broadcast list. This one is for serious clients. These ones are ones that I've paid, that I've worked before. So I always send message from 2 or 3 times every week. I send messages to them. And the one on Sunday I was sending this message routinely. That one of them called me and told me some things. And by the grace of God, by this month ending, he's going to be doing a very big deal with me. Assuming I'm not following up, he won't be able to contact me. He will forget about me. But because we keep that routine, then you stay at the top of their mind. Or you stay there on top of their mind. When they want to